Okay, I'm troubleshooting this Maytag washer, and the problem is that the water is not coming out and going into the drum. And I've already done some troubleshooting here. Got the back off of this thing, and there are some valves that go in here, the water valves, and I'm going to show you how to test those. I already took the clip on testing the valves. So anyway, I'm going to put these back in here. These are actually the new valves, and I'll show you how these go in place and get connected. The most common problem with these inlet valves is this little screen here on the input, and I'm gonna try to pop this thing out of here with my little pick tool. They're a little hard to get out, or they can be. And usually you're going to be doing this when it's on the wash machine, obviously. But I have this one out, and this was the bad valve that I took out of there. So this thing comes out, and I suppose you could try to take this thing apart, but if you just take this and rinse it in the sink, it does a pretty good job of cleaning it out. This has been a problem with my washer for weak water flow, and I cleaned this out. It had a bunch of like resin from the water softener in there. It'll catch all that and any other debris that's in your water line. Probably best to actually flush your water line too in the sink before you reattach it to the valve. Okay, so I've got these valves out of the Maytag wash machine here, and I have tested these already, but I just wanted to show. I've got my multimeter on the ohm setting and measuring the resistance. It's about almost 1K, 1,000 ohms. This one is open, so that one is bad for sure because it's open circuit. This one is 1K. This one is almost 1K. So technically these are should be within the range, but I did test them with a so-called Widowmaker, and it does not seem that the valves are opening and closing. And I'm going to test these other two here. So this one is 1.25K. This one is about 1.25. And that one's just over 1K. So technically the resistance on these seems okay, but it may be that this one is not coming on when the wash machine turns on, and it's not letting the water flow. Okay, unfortunately my lighting isn't going to be so great here, but probably good enough. So I'm going to put this valve in here. There's actually two of them. So this is the cold water valve, and what I'm going to do is actually get these a little bit wet so they can go down in the hole easily. So there's two holes right here where those rubber grommets go down in there, and that went in there pretty easily. And then we'll put the hot water valve down in there, and there is actually only one solenoid on this, and there's two holes, but one of them is not functional for whatever reason. Those are going down there pretty easily. Okay, this is a 1/4 inch. You just want to make sure that that goes back in the threads that it came out of. Okay, I have both water lines connected here, and I actually have this set on warm because I want to test both of the water lines, and I'm just going to press the start button and we'll see if the water starts coming out. Okay, that's a good sign. Water's coming out. And I'm actually going to switch it to hot. All right, I want to stop this.